These are so gorgeous. They are so stunning. I'm over here in HomeGoods and I was on a whole nother aisle and all I seen was just bling. I'm so serious. I seen it from the side of my eye. It was so funny. And I'm looking at this one. It is like $19.99. Look at there. So beautiful. And I don't even want to know how much this one is. No, ma'am. Hello friends, and thank you for tuning back in with your girl Letitia McKinney. So I want to do a different type of shop with me. And in this video, what we're going to do is just use some things from the Dollar Tree and just merge it in together with things that we probably have all gotten from like Hobby Lobby, HomeGoods, and places like that. So I just want to show you guys what you can do with these new items that I've seen from the Dollar Tree. So I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get started in this video. So friends, let's start at Hobby Lobby. So when I was looking at this silver and white, I remembered that we did this DIY. So if you're doing anything like a buffet setup or I could say a tablescape, this would be so beautiful, like, you know, this deer here, to make as a bold statement using that DIY that we not too long did. So I think that'd be very beautiful together. Here's some ornaments that I'm bringing back. No, those ornaments right there, because I remember that I got some ornaments last year from Michael's when it was on clearance. And you guys, you can check that video out right there, my friends, right there. So I am still looking for some beautiful items to pair up together. And these are so gorgeous. I know that our kids would really love these. These are really, really cute. Now these are beautiful, some beautiful ornaments. Don't it remind you of these wine glasses at the Dollar Tree? Now those will pair up very gorgeous into your home decor. And remember when we did this DIY, it was like, you know, 2016. Pretty much a lot of that stuff comes from the Dollar Tree. So even if you get those things this year, you can pair it up very well. Now I like this deer, very affordable, $15 because it's on, you know, on sale. And I think if you place this on like, you know, like for a tablescape, it'll be very, very gorgeous to go with like flatware like this from the Dollar Tree. They have it just like this, and it will save you money. That's my opinion, friends. Check this out. This is so beautiful. It reminds me of these wings that I've seen at Michael's. That's very beautiful over your mantle. Very gorgeous. And these on your mantle as well. These are beautiful. Now here at the Dollar Tree, I found some absolutely beautiful little stocking stuffers that you can get for like little girls. I think these are so beautiful. And you guys, please stay tuned because I'm going to show you all the items that I got from these different stores. All right, everyone, you have a beautiful and blessed holidays, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.